Hey bro, how you doing? Please, how do you trade? How do you approach the forex market? This is the kind of questions you receive from most of the forex traders, and in this video I'm going to give you my own most honest answer. And in this video I'll not only answer you that question, I will show you how I trade practically in just 5 minutes. So within just 5 minutes it will be done. I'll show you how I trade practically, and also I will share with you five tips that you need to succeed as a new trader, as somebody that is interested in succeeding in the forex industry, in the forex space. So if this interests you, give this video a thumb up and please subscribe to our channel, so that anytime we upload educational course like this, you'll always be the first to get a notification and receive it. So thank you. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. So all right, now, so I said I'm going to give you 5 tips before we go practically to show you how I trade, how I personally approach the market. I want to share you 5 tips new beginners, and what you need as a new beginner. These 5 tips is what you need as a new beginner. So number one thing is, as a new beginner, what you need to understand is that there is nothing like new strategy. There is no new strategy. You get? Take this home. I'm telling you this for free. There is no new forex trading strategy. All strategy have been of existence. So it's just for you to learn any particular strategy and stick to it. That is just it. There is no new trading strategy. So what I'm going to tell you, the first tip is learn multiple trading strategies. So as a new trader, first tip, as I'm giving you, first thing that I'm telling you as a new beginner, as a new trader, is learn multiple trading strategy. There are different types of trading. There are different styles. We have trend lines. There are SMC. There are liquidity concepts, which I'm going to show you in this video. So there are different type of trading strategies. So learn them as a new trader. Learn all of them as a new trader. So step 2 now is practice what you learn. That is step 2. After you have learned all this strategy, practice all of them. Practice all the strategy that you have learned as a new beginner. Practice all of them. Now, after practicing all of them, track out what works for you. Because when you learn all these strategies, you'll be able to figure out what will work for you. Because if you don't learn all these strategies, you will not be able to know what works for you. You get? So you learn, and from there you'll be able to track out what works for you. Number 4, stay more on what works for you. Remember, I said number 2 is practice what you learn. First one was learn multiple trading strategy. Number 2, I said practice what you learn. Understand? Practice what you learn. Number 3, I said track what works for you. You get? So after practicing all this strategy, from there now you'll be able to know what works for you. Out of this strategy, different SMC strategy, we have trend line strategy, we have liquidity concepts. That is still a strategy. So after learning all of them, test run all of them, practice all of them. From there you'll be able to figure out what will work for you. Then when you figure out what will work for you, study more on that. That is the tip 4. So study more on what works for you. After figuring out what works for you, study it. I'm sure you are taking note of this point that I'm mentioning. Study it. So now, after studying what works for you, stick to it. That is the final one. That is the 5th one. Stick to it. Then you definitely there is no how you stick to it in years, in months, that you will not get a result. So now, without wasting most of your time, let's just go into the practical. Let me show you how I personally trade. All right. So as you can see from my left, I normally identify my break of structure. I like showing my break of structure first, so that I identify where price is going on. So I like trading liquidity. I like knowing because we traders, we understand what moves market is liquidity. So if you understand liquidity, then you definitely know that it's liquidity that moves market.